Hey there, car enthusiasts. Today, we're taking a look at the Brock Aftermarket Replacement Passenger Right Biled Combination Headlight Assembly for the 2019-2020 Toyota Camry L North America built only. This aftermarket replacement part is also compatible with the LA SE, Hybrid LA, and Hybrid SE models. With a trusted name in aftermarket auto parts since 1960, Brock delivers high-quality and reliable products. The Biled combination headlight assembly provides improved visibility and a sleek modern look for your Toyota Camry. Don't settle for a subpar headlight assembly when you can upgrade to the Brock Aftermarket Replacement Passenger Right Biled combination headlight assembly. Enhance your driving experience and ensure safety on the road with this top-of-the-line product. So, if you're in need of a replacement headlight assembly for your Toyota Camry, look no further than Brock. Check the link in the description to purchase this amazing product and give your car the upgrade it deserves. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more reviews and recommendations on aftermarket auto parts. Thanks for watching.